Hello everyone. So if you want to create a TikTok account effortlessly, here's how to do that. First of all, open up the Play Store and let's install the TikTok itself if you haven't installed it yet. So there it is, press install, give it some time to be installed. Now we gotta press open. Great. Now you gotta choose how you want to sign up for TikTok. So choose your phone or an email or any other comfortable way. I'm gonna be choosing phone or email and let's create it. So choose your birthday date. For me, it's gonna be January 1997. Press next. Now choose how you want to set up with phone or email. I'm be using email, and let's enter our email address, gmail.com. Do not forget to use that part. Press continue. And now we gotta enter our confirmation code. I think I've just received it. It's 799860. 799860. Give all the necessary permissions for TikTok to function. Now we're to create a password. So let's create it. Press continue, create your nickname. Now choose what you like. For example, I like sports, press next. And basically that's it. Now you can use your TikTok. So I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.